Coding decoding. Coding and decoding is applied in cases where secrecy has to be maintained in the message. The message is coded in a particular format, so as to not be able to be read without decoding it. That is, the receiver of the message has to break the code to retrieve the original message. Hence, coding is referred to the method or rule used to hide the actual message, whereas decoding is referred to the method of retrieving the actual message from its coded form. In this type of questions, a word is coded in a particular way and we are asked to code other words in the same way. Let's solve some examples. Question 1. In a code language, if BOYS is coded as SOYB, how will GIRL be coded in the same language? The options are as shown on the screen. Solution. If we compare the basic word BOYS with the coded word SOYB, we would see the letters used in the words are same as in the basic word, but their ordering of placement has been changed. Letter B at first position of basic word has been placed at fourth position in the coded word, and the position of the second and third letter are not changed. The letter at the fourth position in basic word has been placed at the first position in the coded word. Applying the same logic to the given word GIRL, we get the coded word as LIRG. Hence, option B is the answer. Question 2. In a code language, TUTORIAL is written as DODNGLCF and DANCE is written as YCJMZ. How is EDUCATION written in that code? The options are as shown on the screen. Solution. Let's derive a table to determine the code. Observing the given words and codes, we notice that there is no apparent rule governing the code, but the given words have common codes corresponding to common letters. That is, TUTORIAL and DANCE have A in common in the word and C in common in the code. This indicates that the coded letters are in the same sequence as the corresponding letters in the words. And we can observe that EDUCATION is formed by a combination of letters of TUTORIAL and DANCE. Hence, from the derived table, we get the coded message for EDUCATION as ZYOMCDLNJ. Hence, the answer is option B. Question 3. If REQUEST is written as S2R52TU, then how will ACID be written? Solution. Let's derive a table from the conditions given in the question. Observing this, it is clear that the vowels A, E, I, O and U are given the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 respectively. All the other numbers are represented by the next alphabet. Therefore, the given word ACID becomes 1D3E. Question 4. If sky is star, star is cloud, cloud is earth, earth is tree, and tree is book, then where do the birds fly? The options are as shown on the screen. Solution. We know that birds fly in the sky, and from the coding in the question, sky becomes star. Hence, the answer is star, which is option C. Question 5. In a certain code language, the sentence, "You may now leave," is written as "Ho na taja," and The sentence leave and go is written as napada, and the sentence now come back is written as so ho ja. How is may written in this coded language? The options are as shown on the screen. Solution: we can derive the image shown on the screen from the data provided in the question. Studying this image, we know that leave is denoted by na and now is denoted by ho. Amongst these coded sentences, the word may is only in the first sentence. Therefore, in the first sentence, we can rule out na and ho, as they stand for leave and now respectively. This leaves us only with two options, ja and ta. Hence, the answer is option D.